Good day everyone, hope all's well with you, and today it's Pharmacy Friday, and this is our final Pharmacy Friday until I open up the ones that I have with packs, because I'm out of product and I'm not looking to buy any. So this is actually a box that my buddy CV baseball card collector got at Walgreens in Buffalo, New York, on 11/21/21. So the last one he got, we got an autograph. So let's see if our luck continues on for our final Pharmacy Friday. Like those classic 4 sports. And do not like that. Let's say do not get a pack. Pack is actually stuck. There's a Pro Set 92 Series 1. Empty box. Let's see what we get. Well, we're not getting a relic unless it's a real thin relic. Next level, Joe Burrow, Zach Bond, C.O. Ornella, Darrington Evans, Shane Zextra, Harrison Bryant, there's Joe Burrow, come on Martin, Khalil Tate, there's next level to Tango Valoa. Got a Bruce Hill, John Taylor. We got 2 of them the last time. Brian Millard. There's Mongo Steve McMichael. AJ Mordell. Gary Anderson, running back. Jesse Armstead from the New York Football Giants. There's OJ McDuffie. Willie Davis. Eric Benjamin, Craig Ironhead Hayward, Adrian Hardy, Jeff Wright, Orlando Truitt, yes, and a Roddy White. And for our pack, wish we could have went out on an auto, or a relic, but that's okay. That's how the packs go sometimes. The packs is the one I want to open. Playbook. Okay, got Larry Brown, former Raider. Mark Clayton. John Taylor. Week 10. Ray Crockett. Warren Johnson. There's Emmitt Smith, rushing leader. Herschel Walker. Pat Swilling, former Raider. Clarence Verdon. NFC Championship. Play Smart. Save the enrollment. And this is Mike Shikara. Super Bowl replay. Dennis Smith. Atlanta Falcons Spirit of the Game. Alright everybody, let me know what you think. Comment down below what your favorite card was. Let's say Herschel is for mine. I got these and those, so like the video, helps out a lot. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's very much appreciated. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Be sure to carry your notification bell set to all, that way you get all notifications when I put on content. And I will talk to you later.